Hello treasures, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Yes, sit here, relax in the front row here. Let me show you how I made this yummy puff puff without yeast within 10 minutes. Let's get started. So to make this our delicious and yummy puff puff, we're going to be using just 5 ingredients. We're using 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of sugar. You can use less or more. I'll be using a cup of buttermilk. This is just 1 cup of milk with a tablespoon of vinegar, white vinegar. And then I have baking powder here. I'm using 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and the banana. We'll be using about 4 pieces of banana here. So let's get started, or let's continue. I'll start by mixing the flour with the sugar and baking powder. I'll set this aside and then we mash the bananas. I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 tiny bananas. They're just very small, so I'm using 5 pieces of it. If you have big sizes, you can just use 2 or 3. After mashing the banana for some time, this is what we have. Though there are still some chunks of banana there, but you won't notice it in the puff puff. Next, I will then go in with the buttermilk. This is my homemade buttermilk. It's just a combination of milk and vinegar. I used 1 cup of milk with a tablespoon of white vinegar. You can also use a tablespoon of lemon juice or any vinegar you have. And then you get this. And again, I used powdered milk, that is milk powder. I used 2.5 tablespoons of powdered milk with a cup of water and then a tablespoon of white vinegar. That's how I got my buttermilk. And this buttermilk is going to act like the yeast we did not add in this snack or pastry or puff puff. I'll stir it and mix it very well with the mashed banana, and then we mix the wet and the dry ingredients together. Simple. The milk alone cannot mix this, so I'm going to be adding some water to it. I added about 3/4 cup of water, and this is what we have. So after mixing this thoroughly, the next thing we're going to do is to fry our puff puff. Heat up some oil, and once your oil is hot enough, start frying your puff puff or putting in your puff puff batter in the oil in this way. Not fry in a very hot oil, if not it will not cook inside or fry inside. I always say that whenever we are frying. Then stir and flip them around so that they can fry on both sides. And when they are golden brown like this, it is time to take them out from the oil. And we continue to fry the rest of the batter same way until we are done frying all. And here we have our no yeast banana puff puff. Very soft, nice, beautiful, and delicious. Everyone enjoyed this puff puff. I hope you're going to give this a try, especially if you have banana in your house. Try this out. You don't need yeast, just banana, milk, sugar, and flour, and you're good to go. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a like and also share it to your friends and loved ones. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.